Now, if you know that you are a small channel and you're just starting out and you've not been getting YouTube recommendation just like this, like this, like this, and like this on your channel, you've not been seeing YouTube recommendation on any of your videos at all, then do not panic. These tips I'm about to show you in this video is going to really help your channel get YouTube to always recommend each and every one of your videos if you follow it the right way. And what you have to do is just make sure that you follow every step and you listen to this video to the end. Do not skip any part of it, because the last tip I'm going to be sharing with you, it's what helped my channel to get the visibility that it needed. So what you have to do as a small channel is to list this thing down, check your channel, and at the end of this video, I assure you that you are going to start getting the views that your channel really need, and you are going to get that recognition. Now, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Blessing. I teach tips and strategies on how you can grow your YouTube channel the right organic way. And now, if this is the video that you have been looking for, kindly hit the subscribe button so that it will not be your last seeing my face on here. Now let's dive into this video. Now before we get into the tips I'm about to show you on how you can get YouTube to recommend your channel, first of all, you need to change this setting on your channel, just like this. This setting is right here in your YouTube studio. So you go to this setting here, you click on the setting, this setting here. So when you click on, finally, now this is the setting you are going to make sure that it is turned on your channel. Make sure that this setting is turned on your channel. You go to upload default, you go to advanced setting, upload defaults. In advanced setting upload, you are going to see license, category, video language, caption certification. The only business you have here is category, video language, title, and description language. So in category, make sure that you are in the right category for your channel. Like, make sure that you are in the right category for your channel. If you are in the music, don't put how to and style. If you are in the music, click music. If you are in the film and animation, click film and animation. If you are in the entertainment, click entertainment. Are you seeing them now? Click your niche so that YouTube can recommend your channel to those that are interested in your niche. So mine is how to and style. So once I'm done this, then you are going to change this setting to English. Sometimes it's usually not in English. Please let it be in English, and let your title and your description language also be in English too. So once you are done with this, you are set already. Every other one do not really need any touch. Just this category, especially this category, you need to take note of that. Once you are done, when you are done with this setting that I have showed you now, what you need to do is to concentrate on your tags. Your channel needs tags, and that tags is going to help your channel to get the visibility that it needs. How do you get your tags? You have to go to ChatGPT, give it a prompt that you give it. You have to go to ChatGPT just like this. Just type in this prompt of, I want to get tags for my channel. My channel is all about this and that. If it is YouTube growth, you can say your channel is all about YouTube growth and growing organically on YouTube. Then when you tell ChatGPT what your channel is all about, ChatGPT is to give you your own channel tags, and you have to copy this tag to your YouTube studio like this and then input the tag. So we are going to be going to the YouTube studio, the desktop version. So this is the YouTube studio desktop version of your app. So you just say continue to studio. You're not going to use the normal app, we are going to use the desktop version. That is studio.youtube.com. Your you are going to see your channel here. So you go to your setting, you're going to see it underneath here. So I'm going to be showing you setting. This is the setting right here. So you just click on it, the setting here. So once you click on this setting, now you are going to, let me zoom back in. It's usually a hassle using this desktop version, so you have to be very careful. So I zoom back in right now. So you are going to go to channel. You can see channel. Under channel you see basic info. You can see the keywords here. These keywords is that that tag that you have already copied from ChatGPT. You will paste it here. Then you are going to go to upload default. Now, in upload default, you are going to input your tags here too. Do you see? You are going to input all your tags here. Tags is the what your channel is all about. All the keywords that is associated with your channel is what you put here. All the people that are bigger in your niche, you are going to put it here also. You can see that I put bigger creators in my niche. Jude Bien, Glory C, Daddy Creator. You can see, and it has limited tags you can put. Once you have crossed that limit, once you have crossed 500, you cannot put more than 500 tags. That's 500 words. So if it cross 500 words, it's not going to allow you to save. So but once it's less than 500 words, that's maybe 480 something, then you are good to go. Then this is where you are going to paste the tag here. You can just click here like this. So once you cancel that one now, then you can now paste. This is where it's going to tell you to paste. So you are going to like click on it like this. So if you have already copied something before, then you can now click on the paste here. It will paste because I did not copy anything, so I'm not going to paste anything. So I'll just go back. So since it's like this, I'm going to click cancel. I'm not saving it because I want that tag to be there. So you can see, I'll show you now, the tag is still there. See, my tags are still here. So these tags are really going to help your channel to enable YouTube to understand what your channel is all about. That is basically it. And you can also put these tags here as your keywords. Do you see the keywords? These keywords are associated with my channel. Do you see that all these keywords is 500 over 500? As you can see here, 500 over 500. See it here. So these keywords are good for your channel. When you go to channel upload to, you will see the same thing here. You will see the same thing here. So input it here. That is it for this setting. I've done imputing this tag. Then we can now go to the final tip that is going to help your channel get the visibility that it needs. What you need to take note of first of all is that identify viral video on your channel. If your channel has already gained a little momentum, like identify viral video on your channel. Viral video is if you have been getting more than 1,000 views on your video and suddenly one of your video gets 20,000 views, that is a viral content. Now if you have been getting 50 views, 10 views, your views is not up to 50 views or 100 views, and suddenly you get a viral content that got you 10,000 views, that is a viral video. What you need to do is that you need to binge that video. You need to repeat that same video again, because once you do that, then when you do this repetition, that video is going to likely go viral again. You are going to get YouTube recommendation once you do this. How do you do this? Look at that topic and give it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is going to give you more topics around that same video that you have made similar to it, and then create those video one after the other. It's just going to be like a series video after that your viral content. And now what you also need to do is that copy the same type of thumbnail style you used on your viral content. If that's your viral content got more than 10,000 views, it is the thumbnail. Let's not even argue, it is the thumbnail and the title. So what you need to do is just pick the same style of thumbnail, the same title optimization, the same type of title, use it for your other content. Just repeat the same type of content till you get to your 4,000 watch hour, because that is how it has been working for smaller channels. I have literally studied this over months I have been on YouTube. That is how it works. Once one of your content go viral, do a series video on that same type of content till you hit more viral content on your channel. That is how YouTube is going to start recommending your videos. And now once you start getting YouTube recommendation, be rest assured that any topic, any video you post on that channel, we start having YouTube recommendation. We start getting YouTube recommendation, and from there you have made money on YouTube. because that's why we are here, to make money. So now what you need to do as a small channel is to apply every bit of thing I've already said in this video, and you're going to thank yourself in the future. Now if you want to get a 4,000 watch hour and you want to go live stream, you've been doing long form content for the very longest and it's not been giving you views, and you want to dive into live streaming, watch this playlist right here. I did a very detailed video on how you can go live the right way without hurting your channel, and I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.